In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make a slide that has a background that's not movable but has movable pieces on top. So in this example, I have clouds and a bucket in a background that cannot be moved, but I might want my students to count and move the rain droplets down into the bucket. So you can do this by starting on a new slide. As you can see, I pulled my clip art here. First, I'm going to change my background. You can do that by clicking up here where it says background on the menu, or if you right click and change background. I'm going to choose a blue. Then I'm going to place my cloud where I want it to stay, where I will want it to be fixed on the screen, and the same for the bucket. So I'm going to have those there. So you need to place those two images where you would like them to remain on the page. I'm going to take this water droplet and I'm going to move it off of the slide because it's not something that I want to stay in one place. Then I'm going to go up to File, Download, and I'm going to choose PNG image and make sure it says in parentheses current slide. It's going to download a copy of the slide and in the way that it is, in the way that I set it up. From there, I'm going to delete those two images and I'm going to go back to the right click, change background. I'm going to choose an image this time. I'm going to browse my computer, come up to downloads, and you'll see up here is the PNG file of the screenshot I essentially took that had the rain cloud and the bucket placed in the correct place. So then I'm going to choose done. And now the rain cloud and the bucket can no longer be moved around. They are set in the background. Then I can take my water droplet, I'll size it down a little bit smaller. I'll do Control C to copy, Control V to paste a bunch of rain clouds on there, and then I can just have them ready to go for my students to move around. Then when I'm done with this slide, I can come over to the left-hand menu, right-click, copy, and then Control V or right-click and paste. And that same template is on both slides with the unmovable background but the movable droplets for my students. So you can get as many copies of that within your slide deck as you need. In another video that I have linked below this video, you can make it so that if you want it all to be stacked on top of each other and they have like a continuous draggable stack, not spread out, you can do that as well and copy that over to as many slides as you want. And I have that in my next video.